Good morning, my loves. Welcome to our morning yoga practice. Today we will awaken the body, fill it with energy, and set the tone for a wonderful day. Sit comfortably on your mat. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Feel your breath bringing you calm and balance. Let's begin with a gentle neck warm-up. Slowly turn your head to the right and left, up and down. Notice how the tension begins to melt away. Now add smooth twins of the torso. Right and left. Move at your own pace, softly, without rushing. Moving into a tabletop pose. Extend your right arm forward and your left leg back. Then bring elbow and knee together. Repeat several times. Now switch sides, left arm and right leg. Now let's dive. Reach your right arm up towards the sun and gently thread it under your body, lowering your shoulder and cheek to the mat. Feel the stretch. Return to center and repeat the same with the other arm. Keep breathing calmly. Time to stretch the legs. From tabletop, step your right foot forward while the left knee stays back on the mat. Gently sink forward, opening the hips. Now step further forward with the same leg and stretch once more. Repeat on the other side. To finish our practice, move into child's pose. Move into child's pose. Rest your forehead on the mat, arms reaching forward. Just breathe and relax. My loves, thanks for joining me today and see you in the next video. Kisses.